Hello, welcome to the UltFone channel. If you install iOS 16 manually, preparing for an update is one of the phases that your iPhone goes through, and sometimes getting stuck on it too. If you want to know how to get out of this issue, follow me and try the following steps. Step 1. Delete update. First, let's go to Settings and tap on General. Tap on the option of iPhone storage to view your iPhone storage details. Find your iOS 16 update file and tap on it. Tap Delete Update on the following screen. The update file will be removed from device. Then you can download and update iOS 16 again. If it's still stuck, you can go to the next step. Step 2. Reset network settings. So, go to the settings and tap on General. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on Reset. Then reset network settings. After resetting your network settings, try updating again and see if it works or not. If nothing has changed, I think you need some help with tools. Step 3. Update iOS 16 using UltFone iOS System Repair. You'll need the help of a powerful tool that is UltFone iOS System Repair, a tool that efficiently repairs iOS system with 3 clicks. Moreover, you will get the latest firmware iOS 16. So open UltFone iOS System Repair on your computer. Ensure that your iPhone is connected to the computer. Then click Start button. Here we select the standard repair, which can update your iPhone without losing any data. Download the firmware. After that, it will start repairing. Great, it's completed. Let's get back to our iPhone and check it out. As you can see, your iOS version is updated to iOS 16 now. So guys, that's all for today's video. If you think this video is helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you.